Hey guys, welcome and welcome back to my channel. Now on my birthday, which was on July 7th, I know it's been long, I made shawarma and pasta salad. So I decided to film myself making them, and in this video I'm going to be showing you guys the shawarma, and in another video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make the pasta salad. So let's get into it. So for this, I'll be needing carrot, mayonnaise, salad cream, cabbage, baked beans, sweet corn, sausages, and my shawarma bread. Now there is no right way or wrong way to do shawarma or even pasta salad because you can put anything you want in it. Chicken, beef, whatever, you can use it. So get it ready and just follow my process. So right here, I've gone ahead to shred my cabbage and my carrot. So I'm just going to put the carrot with the cabbage, and once I'm done with that, I'm going to add my sweet corn, baked beans, and diced sausages. Give that a stir, and I'm going to add my salad cream and then my mayonnaise. Now this also depends on you as well. However creamy you want it to be, that's what you're going to add. That's the amount you're going to add. So just add it little by little and mix it. So as you're mixing it, you're knowing like, okay, I want to add more, I want to add more, I want to add more. So add more according to your tastes or your preference basically.
I'ma make it. Fake friends, but on my downfall is toxic. Day one started the outlaws for profit. Now all I do is write verses, no talking. All I do is put the work in, no option. This was everything.
So right here, I'm just tasting it to see if I've gotten that consistency that I really want. So I'm going to take my shawarma bread and I'm going to start putting my filling in just like this. So you're going to spread it on one side, so about 1/3 of the shawarma bread basically. You can use one shawarma bread and you can double the shawarma bread to make it like really thick. So right here I'm adding another sausage so that it can, give it that extra meat factor basically. So I'm going to just roll it together, and right here, this is what you're going to do if you are using 2 shawarma breads. So you're going to place it just like this, and then as you're rolling it, make sure you pick the other one when you get to that point and continue rolling it just like this. This will give it that extra layer of coverage basically. So what I'm going to do right now is I'm going to just heat it a little bit on the grill, and that's it guys. So once this is done, your shawarma is ready. Like, look at it. It looks so amazing. Like, so guys, this is the pasta salad as well right here. I just added it to make the video, pop basically. So I'm going to just cut through my shawarma so that you guys can see the inside. And guys, look at it. Oh, it looks so rich. Like, I love it. I love how it turned out. I loved it so much. My birthday was lit because of it, and yes. So guys, that's all I have for this shawarma video. If you love it, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, share it in and outside your circle, comment in the comment section as well. If you have any questions, I would love to answer it. And until my next video, do have yourself a wonderful morning, noon, or night wherever you are. It's still your favorite content creator and fashion entrepreneur, Lara Savage, signing out.